This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places. Welcome to Baguio, the summer capital of the Philippines. Pag nakita mo na may mga pine trees. Wow, it's a beautiful day today. Ay, bougainvillea. Ala! Lumalaki pala yung bougainvillea. Oo, kaya nga. So nice. Parang same sa Taiwan. Pero maliksi lang. Yan lang siya.
Video!
Today, ganda ng sky. Chams! Yellow trail. Cutesy! Hi! Where's the other one? Hello! Oh, cute! Go, go, go! Hi, so cute! Sana yun? Hi! Hi! Back, back! Back, back! Welcome to the United States of America. Ayun na, private property doon. Sayang walang blue. Ganda sana na ito. Yung kanina yung may orchids, maganda sana yung kaso maklauti. Kung may blue yung background.
Oh. Good afternoon.
Baguio! Traffic na sila. Kunyari nasa ibang bansa.
Ay, kala ko picture video.
Ano oras tayo umalis doon? 10? Or before 10?
Before 10.
Ay, ganda pala pag ano.
Alam ko kung ba't di ka masyadong nalalamigan.
Oo, kasi makapal yung jacket ko. Pero hindi talaga malamig. Promise.
Hindi
Kasi
masyado.
tingnan mo, sakto lang. Ang ganda pala doon, Chams. Oh. Makikita yung mga bahay.
360 view doon.
So, ganyan po paano mag-walk Ganyan pala yun. Paatras. Chamwalk. Chamwalk. Good morning, horsey. That's Baguio. Ang ganda ng picture mo dyan.
Good morning.
Good morning. So cute. Cute oh. Ang cute. Pwedeng tulugan. Galing. Walang door yung isa eh. Ah, sige go. Parang accommodation din. Cute. Pero ito walang door. Ah, ito yung door niya. Ito. Kasi saradong sarado. Oh. Bakery. 70. Sarap. Guys, that's the Mount Kalugong. That's our next destination. See you there! Rain jacket kay
Direction. 1 hour.
1 hour? Walking?
30 minutes.
Kasama yung ano? Yay! Di pa pagod ang person. So, on the way to Kapean. Foggy na siya. Natin. So, hi guys. We're done with So, we're here in Mount Kalugong. So, this is the Mount Kalugong campsite. Malaki yung area. So, yung entrance niya is 120 pesos. So, yung kapian, I highly recommend. Lalo na yung food nila. Pero yung drinks, hindi ko recommend. So, ayun. Yung kasama ko, si Chami ay andun siya natutulog sa duyan. So, explore ko muna itong area na to. Wow, ma-foggy na. It's a bit cold then. Woo! Ang ganda rin mag-camping dito. So, nag-walk lang kami from Mount Yangbu going to Mount Kalugong. Saya din na experience namin. So, yun lang. Ja! View sa taas. Ma-foggy na tsaka ma-cloudy. Pero ang ganda. Wow! Guys! So, ito na yung view. Ganda, no? Nag-fog na. It's a foggy afternoon. Ayan. And yung view. The mountains. Tatabunan na yung ibang mountains ang clouds.
Can you help someone else when when you're feeling bad about yourself? How come they say love will heal everything when it hurts like hell? Can you travel the world when you don't know your way around? How can you run anywhere when your feet won't even touch the ground? So many thoughts inside of your head.
Okay, finally, Recession Road. Baka every Sunday lang talaga siya, Chams. Kulit eh. Ang cute.
Magic, you take the sun, then you take the moon. And for Valen, Willy Wonka's into the sky.
Ito kasi gabi na.